Hi, this is Lizzie from Shoeboxed, and I'm here to walk you through an importer that we built to bring external documents into your Shoeboxed account. Again, we're starting here at importer.shoeboxed.com. Now, before we can actually use the importer, we need to log in. So I already have an account, so I'll proceed by entering my password. For those of you who are new to Shoeboxed, please feel free to create an account on the right. Alright, now we're in and you can see the instructions are pretty self-explanatory. We're actually going to pull a zip file, a compressed folder, of our Neat Receipts documents and then upload them onto this page. Now, next thing I'm going to do is walk you through that process. So here I am in the Neat Receipts desktop and I'm going to go to File, Export, and I have a couple of options here. PDF is one of them, of course, and images are another. You can use either for this importer as long as the total file size is less than 50 megabytes. Now, for our purposes today, I want to use PDFs. And again, I'm going to take all my items so I don't miss any. You can also specify a date range. Importantly, though, I want to make sure my image quality is low. You can see from the breakdown here that low image quality will give you the smallest file size and enable you to do fewer exports. Now, go ahead and run that process. Now, before it actually goes anywhere though, I have the chance to put it into a folder that makes it easier for me to find it later. So I'll name this one Neat Test 3. Yeah, Neat Test 3 for this one. Now, I'll create that folder and then I'll have a chance to export those documents straight to that folder. Again, I'm on a Mac, so this process will look slightly different, but be generally the same for you on Windows. Those will export. It won't take too long. For larger batches, it will take longer. Be advised there. Now I'm going to go back to that file that I just saved, that folder. And now we need to compress everything. So I go to Neat Test 3. I see all of my documents there. And now I will right-click, the equivalent of right-click on a Mac, and I will compress that folder into a zip. So you see it right there below, Neat Test 3 zip. And that's what we will actually upload into our importer. So now, just an easy next step to do one more quick test. I want to look at how large this actual folder is. And we'll be able to tell later how that looks. So now we're going to go into our document. We're going to actually find that zip file that we just zipped. Again, we're looking at that file size there, 2.9 megabytes. We're all set since it's less than 50. And then we'll actually go ahead and upload that. All right, we see that we've got a path there, it's loaded, and now we'll go ahead and import those into our account, my account that is. You'll see the same thing for your process. There we go. We've got the message. It says that we have gotten your documents and we'll start processing them. I'll go now and show you how to double check where those land in your actual Shoeboxed account. Because that's one of the great things about our service is that everything lives in the cloud. So know too that there may be a little bit of processing time to ensure accuracy of your receipts. So let's show you now what that looks like. So here I am in my Shoeboxed account. You know, nothing has landed in my kind of reports folder yet, but I do have these 7 pending documents. Now, as you can see here, they've started to populate, but there isn't a title and there's some missing information. But when I go and actually open one of these up, you'll be able to see that the image from our original documents in the Neat Receipts desktop software have come through just fine. So there you have it, a way to get your documents from Neat Receipts as a desktop software into your sparkly new Shoeboxed account where we can help you manage things in the cloud.